I'm Madhvi Verekar, Mrs. Madhvi Verekar.
Coming from?
I'm on Prajiphone, Margao.
What is your problem?
I've been suffering from migraine, that is severe attacks of headache, right from childhood.
From childhood?
Right from childhood.
Okay. So what you have done for this?
I've tried various things like tablets, going to doctors, specialists of head, neurosurgeons, and even taken my ECGs and all the reports. But I've not had any successes yet.
What were your symptoms?
I used to have severe headache, total blackouts. During the blackouts, I used to see colored flashes, light colored lights. Then severe bouts of vomiting, and unless I used to get a good night's sleep, the headache never used to go. I used to sleep in the dark, tie my head very tightly. Even repeated doses of tablets never helped me.
So how many tablets and all you are taking per day when there are attacks?
Normally at least around 2 to 3 tablets. That is severe, I mean imported tablets also. Unless I used to have
other tablet doesn't work?
No, local medicines never worked. No local medicines, nothing at all.
So you are taking right from the childhood?
Right from childhood. Ever since I came to know about headaches, like I have tried right from school. Exactly. So every alternate day I used to come home from school with a severe headache.
So now how frequently the headaches are?
The frequency has gone down to almost 99%.
After the treatment?
Yeah, the first day itself, it was a totally different, it was like a changed personality. I could feel the change right from the first session I had over here with
From first session till today, now last 2 months, there is no headache?
No headaches, but whatever slight headache I have, it is most controllable. I can do my normal work. Because earlier the headaches used to come, I couldn't do anything at all. I was totally immobilized.
Before, how frequently you were getting headache?
Almost every 2 days.
Every 2 days?
Very severe headaches.
Very severe headache.
Yeah.
Almost every day you were getting these headaches?
Yeah. And without any reason, they used to strike me any time of the day.
And now there is last 2 months?
Absolutely no. I feel totally fresh. I don't need my afternoon nap. I don't need to sleep. I'm totally turbocharged.
So you are doing your all duty work and everything normal?
Absolutely normal.
And without any tablets?
No tablets.
Last 2 months you have not taken any tablets?
No, I have not taken any tablets. I don't need to sleep like my normal afternoon sleep. I needed to have that sleep. Unless I had that afternoon nap, I couldn't continue with my work. Now I don't need to sleep. I'm continuously fresh. It's like I'm totally turbocharged.
So what do you want to say about our acupuncture?
It's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. I would like people to know that I've been telling everybody about this. I wish I had known about this quite earlier because I have been suffering right from childhood. If I knew about this, I would have had a changed life from the beginning.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You want to say anything more?
Yeah, I would like to say that I've been totally frustrated with these headaches. And it was so bad that it was like I wish I could die when I used to have the severe bouts of headache. Like I was totally immobilized, I couldn't do anything. And ever since I had this first session with you, it was wonderful. It's a wonderful experience, like a total new life together. It's like a new life altogether. I wish I could get this across to a lot of people who are suffering from migraine. I've already told many people about this. And it's like totally new experience. You can't explain it in words. You have to feel it personally to go through this. Because I used to literally cry when I used to have the headaches. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't talk. Even my daughter used to suffer. My family life suffered. If I had known about this earlier, I think I would have been a much better person. I would have led a much better life with this treatment.
We are trying to make this awareness by putting it on the cables and all. But still patients are not having that much faith. Everybody thinks about that how it can be possible.
Yeah,
but one who comes in my center and takes our acupuncture treatment, then only he come to know about what is the improvement in our center.
Exactly.
Again this before, about 10 years before or even 7 years before, to treat a migraine headache, it was for us headache because it was really the patient were coming with the severe headache and all, and regularly it was pain and all.
I can understand.
Yeah, and for us also it was very difficult to treat because we were required about more than 5 to 6 month treatment.
I see.
Just to give the relief. Now after my lot of research on the migraine headache, now from the first day we can give the relief, and patient from that day only he feels totally normal.
Yeah, I can see it from my personal experience.
And for which I got also award in China for this migraine headache treatment cases treated. And now because of that we can handle this migraine headache cases very easily.
Yeah, because I can feel it from the first session. I wish I could I could have met you earlier. I really thank you for the whole thing you have done. And I think by the end of this session, at the end of this course, I think I should be a much better person than I am today.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.